sprinkles. It's 2010. So here I am down at the beach. There's loads and loads of people on the beach. I'm on the side road that runs parallel with the beach. I don't go on the beach. I'm not really a beach lover, and the missus isn't a beach lover. But I do love coming down to the beach. I do. It's just amazing. You know, to see the sea, the sun, naked people. No, I'm joking, but it's just not. I mean, look at it. I mean, it might look far away, but it's not. It really is not. It's just the camera showing it that way. I'm just looking out the viewfinder when I was watching, just filming. So anyway, I'm down at the beach and it's lovely. The sun is so nice. It's about 40 degrees. I don't think that's far off, about 90. I bought myself a can of beer from the little shop coming down here. Bulgaria. I must add, I'm not being paid by the company of Bulgaria from Villa Caternovo. But I'm enjoying myself. I know, I need to give up smoking, I need to not to drink, but such is life, innit? So I'm going to still film everywhere I go. Show you what's going on. Most of it you've probably seen before if you've been around for a while, and if you haven't been around for a while it's probably new to you. But I live near the beach. I live in Bulgaria and I live 800 metres from the beach, so it takes 10 minutes, 15 minutes if you walk really slow to get to the beach. And I like coming down to the beach in the winter, I like coming in the summer. But this is probably going to be the last time I get to come to the beach because I'm going back to England, as I've already mentioned. But there's always women with lovely bikinis. What's all that about?